Hey, y'all, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm meteorologist Marquise, joined by Brittany. And all throughout the month of January, we are highlighting self-care, and there's nothing as therapeutic as music, right?
Exactly. Scientific studies have shown that apart from therapy, listening to music and dancing is one of the greatest ways to beat depression. So I have brought a really cool piece of technology today that kind of combines dancing, music, and technology all into one. So this is called Makey Makey. What we are doing today is we are attaching anything conductive, really. So we've got a couple of different things, and we are gonna play some music.
I never thought I'd be playing with Play-Doh and making music at the same time, but here we are. So this apparatus here has a bunch of conductors, wires, strings, bells, whistles. We have it all, right?
Exactly. So you can do a lot of things with this. You can even play video games. But today we are going to throw it back to some old school hip hop and take it away.
Cool. So what we need to do is create a closed circuit, right?
Exactly. So the most important thing right now is for you to hold that alligator clip in one hand, and then you can take it away with the other. So basically every single one of these alligator clips connects to one of the buttons here on my computer. So it's going to play a different sound. There's a lot of different ways you can play around with this. You can change around the sounds here. And this is just a free website connected to the Makey Makey website. So he's playing all sorts of different little clips based on whether he's touching the conductive water or the conductive Play-Doh.
It's interesting to see just how conductive the different materials are too. I think that it's a little bit more responsive, and the response time is faster when I'm touching the water as opposed to touching the Play-Doh. I gotta touch down a little bit harder with the Play-Doh. But I can just kind of tap the water and it goes almost instantaneously.
Yeah, and it's a great way to learn about conductors and insulators for your younger learners. Play around with things you have at home. You can even use graphite pencil, all sorts of stuff.
Well, I'm having way too much fun here. So I know that you guys will have a great time if you come down to the Orlando Science Center. Make sure you check out our website, osc.org, and find out when we're doing an event like this or anything else that relates to self-care throughout the month of January. And I'm hoping to see you all very soon.